Hi, yes. Next topic, insert quick parts. How to create the quick parts in MS Word. Steps. Click insert button. Again click quick access. There selected auto text. Steps. Click insert button. Click quick parts. There select auto text. First you click the any shape and draw here, and again right click, add text, computer classes, drag and drop any shape and there right click and add the text. After type the any name. I am given computer classes. After again take another shape and shape fill their selected picture. Insert that picture. After insert the any image. After select the all objects. Select the all objects using shift. Using shift. After click the quick access part. Here last save selection to quick parts is click at that. Now given the any name. I am given 1, 2, 3. Click OK. Your images comes to here. Here quick access quick parts comes to your image. Now I am deleted here all objectives. Now click directly here. Comes to the same image for anywhere in the MS Word. This is called a quick parts images. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.
Like a Hellcat.